Okay, here's our plug we made. Soldered on top and bottom. I had flow through there, so it's all nice and sealed up. Like I said before, this is still in your system. You never take this out. Clean this up with a wire brush. Clean the top a little bit. Use this grip. It's piped up, but it's really good. And you just want to go around the threads a little bit. This seals everything up real nice. Hopefully, before you put your system into use, you can give this time to set up. So you just go around it, coat it nice. I like to put a little bit in here too. Not a lot, because I don't want that going in the system. Just kind of fill the threads a little bit. Now she makes like a gasket there. Alright, next thing you want to do is thread this on. Just give a little tightening to that. And there you have it. You have your valve. It doesn't have the ball on it anymore. It just flows through. No one is going to try to move it or break it, or sometimes I even see the stubs get broken in here because someone tried twisting it too much. But this is pretty much takes care of all your problems. You'll have no leaks, and nobody will be playing with this in the middle of winter, breaking it, causing you problems. You won't be short-cycling your boiler, wasting energy. It's all wide open. I always handle my valves like this, especially because I don't want tenants messing with them. I'll do another one of these, one of the older ones where you just have like a big old wooden handle and you close it one way, close it another way. It's a little different from this, but this basically shows you how to eliminate that and take care of it. Thank you.